How to create a Wise business account. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Wise business account. So let's get into it. So to create a business account, all you have to do is either when you create an account, choose the business account, or once you've created an account, what you want to do is go into your profile and click on settings and choose the option from there. So for example, if I click on my profile over here, I've already created a simple account. Now I want to create a business account. So I would just simply click on get a business account right here. So to do that, just simply click over here and now just simply select the country that you want. And then over here, add in the registered business name and choose the business type. It can be either an LLC, for profit corporation, sole proprietorship, nonprofit, general partnership, limited liability partnership, trust, or others. It can be anything you want. And once you've selected this, you are good to go. So let's say our company is an LLC. Just simply click on LLC, and then you want to add in the EIN number, which is the taxpayer identification number, and you should be good to go. Make sure you fill out these forms and you are good to go. If you don't know where you can get an LLC, you can just simply go over to any website you want. Just simply Google it, and you can find an LLC online. Get an LLC, create an account, and you should be good to go. After that, you just simply click on continue, verify yourself, and you are good to go. And that is it. That is how you get yourself a business account. Currently, I cannot create a business account for other reasons. I can't disclose as of right now, but the process is very simple. You just got to add in the information of your business and you are good to go. So that is it. That is how you create a Wise business account. So thank you guys for watching. And until next time, take care and goodbye.